Yo, what is up guys? Coach Attack here, back at it again. Now if this is your first time watching this video, hit that sub button if you wish. I've also made a few videos similar to this review of the Sonos, all the Sonos speakers as well as all the Bose speakers. I am going to throw a YouTube card up there. Now let's get to the review of the Google Home Max. Alright, let's get this off the bat. First guys, price wise, it retails for $400. I did get it on sale for $350. Comes with two different colors. We have the chalk and the charcoal. Now this is the charcoal orientation. Now in the back, we have a removable power source, micro USB, and auxiliary. Yes, you do have an option for auxiliary. We also have on and off switch for the mic, so
the mic's off. The mic's back on.
Now on the top, as you guys can see, it's very, very sleek. We have no buttons. All we do is we have this lightly shaded line across, which basically means we can play music, we could pause, we could also slide it, increase the volume. Now as I increase the volume, you do see in front, you get the feedback of the light.
Can't wait till sundown cause my body's aching.
As you increase the volume, the more the circle turns lighter. Essentially 4 circles give you the max volume. Now we're gonna turn it down.
I just wanna dance.
And now as you can see, there's only one. So that's a pretty cool feature. Now this is the only speaker from what I saw, you actually do have this option. Also, we do have some neat features. Now since this is a hi-fi speaker, it does have Wi-Fi built in. We also have Bluetooth and, like I said, auxiliary. Now I've made previous videos of these similarities to the speakers with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. I'm not a Bluetooth fan, guys. I know you're gonna get some hate. Tell me Bluetooth is amazing, yada yada. No, guys. To be honest with you, if you listen to any of your music via Bluetooth and then listen to the same thing on Wi-Fi, you're gonna see it's night and day. So don't give me that BS in the comments below. Moving on. We also have the ability to flip the speaker in bookshelf.
By the way, the Google Home is upside down. It'll work best if you turn it over.
Now guys, let's get into some music. But before that, I just want to share this speaker, guys. Fucking amazing. Let's get to the music now. Alright, so we're both connected. You guys can see I do have the screen showing as well. Now, this is the standard app. We do have the play button here. So once I hit that play, it's gonna give us that music. I'm gonna turn up the volume. So it's at 50%, which is great. Now, also we do have the ability for the equalization. Now this is something I'm really happy that Google introduced and actually put into the speaker. I did say that Bose for some reason didn't give us that option to increase the bass and the treble, but here once I click on it, as you can see, my settings are up top for the bass and treble. Now if you don't want the bass to be so high, you could always decrease it and the treble, or you could just put it again all the way up, or hell, all the way up to the max. Now we go back and we're gonna hit that play again, and we're gonna turn up the volume.
Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night, feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, dance, dance.
Now to be frank with you guys, this speaker does have some woof in there. Now speaking of technical specs, I want to get into, we do have 2 tweeters up top and we do have 2 woofers on the bottom. Now this orientation is very similar to Sonos Play 5. With the Sonos Play 5, we do have 3 tweeters and 3 woofers. However, with this orientation, we subtract 1 of each and we get 2 and 2. Now to be honest with you guys, this speaker does sound great. I did play this song via Spotify. Now I did cast it to the speaker. I did not use Bluetooth. Now for the music services, we do have, of course, we have YouTube, we have Google Music, we have Spotify, we have Pandora, honestly all the major music services. Now, unfortunately, we don't have this doesn't give you the option for many more music services like Sonos gives you the options, but yet again, I don't personally use a lot of the music services that which Sonos offers. For me, I just use Spotify. Now with this speaker, we're also connected to all the cool Google products. Now, if you do have the Google Home Mini or the Google Home, you could link them up. So for instance, if you are in the kitchen or in the other bedroom, you could link the speakers up and they're both gonna sync the same music, or you could sync it to different types of music in different orientations of the room, which again is pretty cool since you get that option. Now also, if you do have the Google Chromecast, you could enable this speaker to work with the Google Chromecast, which is pretty dope. So essentially all the Google products will work at one. Now in conclusion, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. To be honest with you guys, for the price, for 400 bucks, if you get it on sale for 350, this is a really good product to buy. It's sleek. It does have that mesh, which I'm not a fan of, but if you like that bass, if you like the treble, it is a lit speaker, and especially since it gives you all the features of Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and auxiliary, guys. And of course, since it's a smart speaker, we of course could ask it a bunch of questions like, hey Google, what's the weather?
Right now in New York City, it's 48 and cloudy.
Okay, Google,
today it'll be
stop, and now it stopped. So again, simple AI stuff. But that's that, guys. I'm Kosher Tech. This is the Google Home Max. I'll catch you next time. Peace.